Hanjang Langsu Sport Association Patua Klamalong Karbi Autonomous Council Speaker Long Kitimung Arideng Pen Long E Keso Cultural Affairs Department Pen Borjan Patua Klamalong Trok Angdeng Hambi ke Patu Angdung Kiti Jaipong Salawar Lapen Maibrik Hawar Arat Tumpen Jaipong Leps Asa Hemalong Perang Kiamai Kepa Karom Karbi Prime Tan Pen Liberta Tan Bang Thari Harmony Ben and Bertang Tan Pen Arjita Hanjang Langsu Sport Association Patua Klamalong Tere ni Patroxi Arni Ada Porpai Krisia Pormalong Chief Minister Samagria Gramia Unayan Yojana 2018 Lapen 2019 Scheme upon Seka Lak Enkoi Panongsi Karbi Autonomous Council Speaker Long Kitimung Arideng Pen Long Ekesa Mabirta Perangke Ananterang Pen Birta Nangpale
Karbi Autonomous Council Speaker Long Kitimung Arideng Pen Long Ekeso Masai Long Kachirap Kachitodu Natum EM Barim Jiwan Chandra Pathak Hanjang Langsu Sport Association Amai Pula Pen Chun Bangatum Chitongdun Ada Porpai Kre Isira Minute Thomke Ba Porpen Puthot Maipa Dupontu EM Barim Jiwan Chandra Pathak Pen Kachari Pon Amaya Long Aluhi Sarpo Aman Pen Karbi Autonomous Council Speaker Long Kitimung Manpeng Aluhi Aman Pen DSO Relief Ronghang Abarim EM Atum Rajendra Rongpi Ramsing Tokbi VDC Chairman Chris Rongpar Physical Instructor Atum Babu Singna Raju Hazarika Jayanta Saikia JE Hamson Terang Lapen Kitheki Dingatum Chitong Dunsi Long Ekisom Pon Amai Along RDP Dun Karbi Autonomous Council Speaker Lapen DSO Atum Kachitong Dun Arat Athengno RD Dojot Pen Lamthe Ki Jaipon Pado Long Ekisom Amai Along Ke Patu Aputhak Chithan Chimum Pado Ponsi Long Ekisom Amai Mesen Pen Pachun Pon
Singasan Constituency ke Parlo Angkang Borjan LP School Along Cultural Affairs Department Lapen Singasan Cases Jun Chirabdun Pen Jaipong Lems Asai Hemalong Jaipong Salawar Lapen Maibirik Arong Aratum Perangkiamai Kepha
Cultural Affairs Asai Campaign Singhasan Constituency ke Parlo Angkang Borjan LP School Pathua Klamalong Trok Angdeng Hambi Kacepate Angdung Kiti Pathu Pontanglo Labangso Along Kadoka Wepen Terang Kret Trokatum Cepate Dun Lasoang Bong Pen Angdung Kiti along Keledun Lake Borjan Pen Difu Government College Unit Kachepate along Borjan Atum Difu Government College Unit Atumaphan Parem Si Trok Angdeng Hambi Kapathu Kachepate along Ke Hayanong E Borjan Aterang Atum Si Chepalong Lo Aduntu Anong E Lake Difu Government College Unit Lapen Ke Thomanong E Lake Dongkamuka Matum Chepalong Dun Angdung Kiti Amay along Karbi Autonomous Council EM Atum Rupsing Teron Omar Singh Tiso, Deputy Director Cultural Affairs Department Hemari Tokbi, Karbi Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Mahadananda Hazarika, Atumche Tongdunsi ke Hayanong EM Rup Singh Teron Pensi Pajirpon.
Autonomous Council ada Cultural Department pen tumanikan rang lo ni patai troll piring penan itu hambi patu cepat tinggi pipon ini bang dak bodan long si pipon tak subina kolam te bang ke hambi ke patu ke Karbi atum isi kenang sol si ke patu siang deng penak so patu ke aprang ke dulu ang bongong tak su ke klaim pe depende jok si katene atum dulu pen ubi mitum lagi sini abang ingat pik lo la sino bang ke department pen kali ke damtang la jut pisel hotel hai cepati pipon la sino ubi mitum ke tan pon japan Apaan sosial asal jutang kepang tang punya fungsi ni tu angkan bang tau pening pen angkan properti pon nangkop pen muka bang tuji angkan bang ke ni tu mana taralang sosong si matalon ni tu Karbi tradisional music sport complex sosong si pencong ada bang kami patu dat bali ledak Karbi tu kapre patu tu ason tu si bang sesere ke patu si bang ke mendang ke dong cibung batiligap tai sia complex sosong si tu gibi punya si matal si sosong si itu makar bi itu maju tang on se pecan punya pasti itu pipon am matalam telalo
Jaipong Lems Asa Hemalong Tere Nipai Trok Ardi Ronga Sar Lapen Ronga Ratum Karbi Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Lapen Team Karbi Atum Nang Mrivek Nang Jipura Perangkiamai ke Padupon Abirta Langhin Jaipong Hawar Pen Nilitum Kat News Asa Hemalong Birta Nang Pale
Number 13 Langhin Constituency ke Parlo Jaipong Hawar along Ronga Sar Lapen Ronga Ratum Ason Kisung kacetong nang aputhak Perangki Amai Padupon Lapuson ahud Rong Asar Amai Pulong Sing Hanse Pen Jaipong Salawar Mai Birik Arat Kisung Alam Than Pachiripon Me Lang Tower Se kachelang ahem Mate Hospital Mesen Awe Anparta Lo Kacharli Asai Kadure Anchotakali Pathu Aklam Kawe Pen Sports Ahin kepa phidu nalam than jaipong salawer mai bidik ahawara long kadokawe pen bangsuri pho andu aphong local MAC Mati Karbi Autonomous Council EM Tarendra Brahma Aphan Kachop Hapen Kahumri Dam Dedet Aputhak Radatum EM Brahma Aphan Jongdam
জাইপং অঞ্চলৰ তাৰপিছত মাইব্ৰিক এই তিনিটা অঞ্চলৰ ৰাইজে আমি লোকেল EM নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি বহুত মানে কষ্ট ভুগিবলগীয়া হৈছে কাৰণ যেটো নেকি এক নম্বৰ আমাৰ ৰাস্তা নাই যদিহে লোকেল EM হোৱাহেঁতেন আমি সেইবিলাক কথা আমি EMৰ আগত আমি প্ৰকাশ কৰিব পাৰিলোঁ হয় তাৰপিছত যিটো নেকি জৰাজীৰ্ণ অৱস্থাত ৰাস্তা থাকিলেও কিছুমান দলং নথকাৰ কাৰণে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে স্কুলত অহা যোৱা কৰাৰ বহুত কষ্ট ভুগিবলগীয়া হৈছে PSC আছে কিন্তু মাথোন ঘৰহে আছে পানী ৰাইজে এতিয়ালৈকে এটোপালো পোৱা নাই পানী নিদিয়াৰ কাৰণে পানী নোপোৱাৰ কাৰণে ৰাইজে এতিয়ালৈকেও বোকা পানী খাবলগীয়া বাধ্যত পৰিছে সেই হেতুকে আমি বেমাৰ আজাৰ ভুগিবলগীয়া হ'ল আৰু ঠিক তেনেধৰণে মই উঠনি কৈছোঁ ৰাস্তা নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে সেইকাৰণে এতিয়াও আমি দেখিবলৈ পাইছোঁ নিজৰ গাঁৱত বা ওচৰ পাজৰ গাঁৱবিলাকতো যাবলৈ ৰাস্তা নথকাৰ কাৰণে আমি বহুত অসুবিধাত ভুগিবলগীয়া হৈছে যিহেতু নেকি কোনোবা ব্যক্তিয়ে যদি কিবা এটা বেমাৰ আজাৰ হ'লে আমি চাবলৈ যোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ বহুত কষ্ট হ'বলগীয়া হৈছে সেই দলটো আমাৰ ইয়াত আহি যিটো আমাৰ ৰাইজৰ দুখবিলাক সিহঁতে বুজিবলৈ আহে অনুভৱ কৰিবলৈ আহে তাৰ বাবে আমি ৰাইজে এটা আজি এই প্ৰেছ ৰিলিজৰ পৰা আমি অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ
Nun malam support berita muk don ponik sinan.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4, he just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically, what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Report lo nanya chusir ham tamle inisu.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalom Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, kona lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamata dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kechengsi sopin so la pensor lo phat kapamata dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off. Hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor, near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Palm Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Upthor Pen Chenglok Ong Dung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamu pipotat bertalo pangthilo. Dilai police station ke palo angka moisu killing arong along. There ni pai troxy arni ada por pai plia por ihum tata mobile. Kajingkoi aberta, kaj news along berta nang pale.
Manja pen kewang bom hanjang lang sonat ki pangmo ihum tata mobile long hong ki endam jipua hut towar ipeng along kachingkoi. Labang su kachingkoi long katewara bang lapen kachirap tu na bang puatum kopai ki miajok arenga hu ki so abelang. Katewara bang puamen kajur majumdar lapen tata mobile number AS01 AC2972 pusi pang theklong.
Karbi prime time mangala pasikang ton paninglo domi thangme kurwang thu.